Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Python series, part 14. Now let's discuss about loop control statements in Python. Loop control statements that can be used to alter or control the flow of the loop execution based on specified conditions. Okay, so there are three types of loop control statements in Python language. The first one, break statement. Second one, continue statement. The third one, pass statement. In this session, we will discuss about the break. Okay. So, what is the usage of break statement? Break statement is used to break or terminate the execution of the loop containing it and transfers the execution to the next statement following the loop. So, break is used to terminate the loop in between the iteration. Okay, so actually I have implemented the while loop. We already discussed about the while loop. The loop is used to repeat a block of code till the specified condition is met. Okay, and here I want to print the numbers. Okay, is it possible to break in between the iterations? Possible. How? With the help of the break, it is possible. Okay. So, indentation indicates the block of the while. Okay. So, these statements are inside the while block. This is the if block statement and this if block is inside the while block. Okay. So, in this indentation refers to the block of the while and this indentation refers to the block of the if. Okay. So, here for the first iteration, it returns true only because I value is 0, 0 less than 10, true. So, the control comes inside the while block and I value will be updated to 1 and the number will be printed on our console. That is, the 1 will be printed. And here we have the condition, what? I greater than 2. So, I value is 1, 1 greater than 2. Returns false only. Okay, so what happens? False means the if block will be skipped. So the control jumps from the fifth line to the second line. Okay, and I value is now 1, 1 less than 10. Returns true only. The control comes inside the while block and the I value will be updated to 2. Okay, and the number will be printed on our console. That is 2 will be printed and here the expression again 2 greater than 2 returns false only. Okay, false means what happens? The if block will be skipped. So the control again jumps from the fifth line to the second line. Now the value of I is 2. 2 less than 10 returns true only. So the I value will be updated to 3 and the value will be printed on our console. Okay, and here the condition 3 greater than 2. So, after the evaluation of this expression, it returns true only. True means the if block will be executed, so the break will be executed. So, what happens? The break is used to terminate the loop. Okay, and transfers the execution to the next statement following the loop. Okay, that is the thanks will be printed on our console. Got it? Let me execute this one. So, number, output statement and the I value for the first iteration 1, for the second iteration 2, third iteration 3. Okay, and the break is executed. That's why the loop is terminated in between the iterations. The loop is terminated with the help of this break. Okay, and this is used to transfers the execution to the next statement following the loop. So that's why we got thanks also. Got it? Now I change this value to 6. Okay. Again I execute the same. Here, what is the result? This is the first iteration value, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth iteration, sixth iteration, seventh iteration. Okay. For the seventh iteration, the value of I is 7. So 7 greater than 6 returns true. So the break is executed. That's why we got only from 1 to 7. Actually, the original setup for this while loop is printing the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, but with the help of this break, I can terminate in between the iterations. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.